Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, let's do a complete hands-on demonstration of the quiz feature in Google NotebookLM. Quizzes help us test understanding, reinforce learning, and identify gaps after studying our sources. Let's go step by step and see how to generate and use quizzes effectively. So here we have already created notebooks. Let's open Learn AI Notebook. We have already added the sources to the notebook. If you want to add more sources, you can use Add Sources option here. Now let's look at Studio panel. On the right side of the screen, you can see Quiz. You can directly click on this Quiz tab or you can customize before generating the quiz. Let's see the customization option and then we will generate the quiz. Click on the pencil icon. The NotebookLM opens the Customize Quiz window. This screen allows us to control exactly how the quiz will be generated. At the top, let's look at number of questions. We see three options here: fewer, standard, and more. By default, standard is selected. This gives us a balanced quiz that is not too short and not overwhelming. For this demo, let's keep standard selected. Next, let's look at level of difficulty. We can choose between easy, medium, and hard. By default, medium is selected. Medium difficulty is ideal for most learners because it checks understanding without being too basic or too advanced. Let's keep the default medium level. Now let's move to the most important input. The field asks, what should the topic be? This is where we guide NotebookLM to generate a focused quiz. We can specify that the quiz should be based on specific sources or a particular concept. For example, let's enter something like key concepts of artificial intelligence based on the selected sources. This ensures the quiz questions stay grounded in our notebook content. Once everything looks correct, let's click on Generate. NotebookLM now reads the sources, identifies important concepts, and creates multiple choice questions. Just like other artifacts, quiz generation happens in the background. It takes few seconds to generate the quiz. Let's wait. Once ready, the quiz appears in the Studio panel as a new artifact named AI Quiz. Let's click on it to open the quiz interface. At the top, we can clearly see the quiz title and the label based on two sources. This confirms that the quiz is grounded in our actual notebook sources, not generic AI knowledge. Now let's look at the quiz experience. Each question appears with multiple answer options. Let's select an answer. As soon as an option is selected, NotebookLM immediately shows feedback. Correct answers are highlighted in green with the right answer label. Incorrect answers are marked clearly, along with an explanation of why that option is not correct. You can also see the hint option here. Click on Hint option to see the hint for the answer. You can maximum the screen and you give check the quiz questions. We can continue answering until all questions are completed. At the bottom of the quiz, we can see two buttons: Good Content and Bad Content. These options allow us to give feedback on the quality of the quiz. Providing feedback helps NotebookLM improve future generations. Back in the Studio panel, let's click on the three-dot menu next to the AI quiz. From here, we can rename the quiz, share it with others, or delete it if it is no longer needed. This makes it easy to manage quizzes inside large notebooks. Let's pause and understand why this feature matters. Quizzes promote active recall, which is one of the most effective learning techniques. Instead of passively reading, we are forced to think, answer, and reflect. This significantly improves concept retention and exam readiness.